Welcome back to Stoneybrook. We're finished. As you can see, there's a lot of big changes that have happened, and we are really happy with the final results. Take a look. So if you guys remember, there was a huge wall separating these two spaces before. So now that's gone. We've got this nice, beautiful kitchen. The wood tones in the island complement and accentuate the wood look stone composite flooring. The stone composite is just another step up from luxury vinyl, as it actually uses limestone. This just adds to its strength and durability. You know, the Medallion Cabinets, the Pompeii quartz really came out looking wonderful. We ran the countertops right at the back for the backsplash. It's got a great look to it, but it's also super easy to clean, and we just love how the finished product came out. So as you can see, no more florally wallpaper. We decided to paint a nice off-white, kind of on the tinge of gray for the wall. We continued it through the entire main space, which really expands the look and makes it feel nice and large. And over here, we've got the new great room space, and I'm looking forward to finally seeing the furniture in it. Follow me into the new master. As you can see, we kind of changed how you enter the space, but it really didn't change the size. So we still have a nice large master bedroom, plenty of room for TV, dresser, king bed, and nightstands, and we just love the way that this came out. We took the wall color from the main space and kind of picked a darker version of it for in here to add some warmth and to kind of give it a little bit of drama. Welcome to the new master. This is a huge change. The final product is just amazing. We love how the colors kind of go together. We're using the same color tone cabinets that you notice in the kitchen. We brought them in here to add some warmth to the space because we were using a lighter tile on the floor and walls. But we've really got this really nice spa feel, and we've done some really cool elements in here, like the waterfall on the ends of the sink bases, and including the waterfall into the shower area, which doubles as a little ledge for your products when you're taking a shower. Good place for your razor or your shampoo. It's a little trick that I started doing a couple years ago, and I love the fact that we got to use it here. So guys, this is the guest wing of the house. So you'll notice in here, we used a similar tile to the master bathroom. We just changed the color and changed the direction and the way we set the pattern, but that also adds a connection to the space throughout and gives a cohesive look through the whole home. So guys, that kind of wraps it up. I'd like to give a big shout out to Jerry and the crew. We should have some furniture coming in soon. I'll be working with the clients to place the furniture and kind of maximize the space. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.